The Environment Agency's catchment initiative has been working with farmers in this local area to promote soil testing, and the purpose is to show them how small changes in fertiliser use based on soil testing results and crop requirements can benefit their business and also benefit the environment. Well, what we would normally do on a field like this one is we would take about 25 samples across the field in a W shape, and we would be avoiding gateways and feeding areas. We would take it to a depth of 7.5 centimetres, and we would use this pot corer to take the samples. So here we have a depth of 7.5 centimetres. We would then bulk the samples together into one, and then we would send them to the laboratory for testing for pH, phosphate, potash and magnesium. This catchment initiative is promoting free soil testing to farmers in the Ellerway and Clwyd catchment area, and a typical farm can save up to £3,500, and a bigger farm may even save more. The test results that come back from the laboratory can then be used by the farmers to work out how much fertiliser and what type of fertiliser they need to apply to the land. Fertiliser planning like this makes sense because there's no over application of fertilisers, and it's better for business and better for the environment. Having sufficient storage over the winter months is also key to fertiliser planning. It means that the slurry can be spread during the growing season rather than throughout the winter. This means that the plants can take up the fertiliser and there's no losses to the environment or to the rivers and local streams. Farmers can also make use of the fertiliser contained in slurry, as this has nitrates, phosphates and potash. By injecting slurry rather than using a traditional splash plate, it means that more nitrogen is available to the plant because the slurry is applied close to the growing roots. This means that the plants can take it up and there's less losses to the air as ammonia. Over the last 2 years there have been over 100 farms that have signed up to the free soil testing in the Clwyd catchment area. This means that there's less fertiliser use. This is better for the farming business because there's less costs in fertiliser, and it's better for the environment because there's less leaching into local rivers like this one, and that has to be good for the local fisheries in this area.
My name's Gareth Hughes. I've been brought up on this farm, been here all my life. My father was here before me and my grandfather before that, and generally try to look after it best we can. It carries 60 milking cows and 20 followers. We had the soil tested with Nicola nearly 2 years ago now, and it prompted me to go and test the rest of the land. And I realised that the phosphates and the potash were so high in it that didn't need to be almost dumping slurry on the fields at the top anymore. So I decided that we had to do something about it. So we put this up at a cost of 27,000. It's changed my life completely. We don't have to worry about slurry in the wettest winter months anymore. We can keep it and put it on the land that's too wet to do it when in the height of summer, straight after silage. We no longer buy anything except straight nitrogen to put on the land, because now we know what the fields, what the condition of the fields. We realise we don't need it, which should save, well, several £1,000s over the years.